finally, after a month and a bit, I think. Just been so busy with uni and work, just have literally had no time to do anything. But basically I'm now going to London for a whole week, so I was thinking, why not do a pack with me? You know, why not? Even though like I'm going to be the worst packer ever right now, by taking everything I own basically. But yeah, so I need to pack anyways. So I thought, why not take you guys with me on this journey of packing. Right, so basically, because I'm there for 5 days, I'm on placement, so I've got 5 different outfits that I want to pull off. So basically what I've done is I'm taking 5 pairs of jeans pretty much, which isn't sensible. Actually it's 4 pairs, and one I'm going to rewear because I like the colour and the combination with the other top looks good, so you know, whatever. Right, so basically I've got my jacket and I'm wearing double denim on this day, and I've got a floral mesh bodysuit for that day. So I've just folded the bodysuit into the jeans, and I've got the denim jacket. So that's like one outfit, so you know, that's to one side, all done. Second outfit I've got is, I've got camo trousers. I've got a, what's it called? What's that thing called? Jumper. I've got a jumper, and I've got a leather jacket, which is actually my husband's, but you know, I'm wearing it. That's my second outfit, and that's good. This is going to take up most of the room of my suitcase, but you know, why not still pack it in. And then I've got double denim, but this time it's light, and it's with a, oh, I think this one's with a turtleneck that I'm going to wear. So it's a black turtleneck with double denim. Right, that's done. Right. The next one I have, okay. The next one I have is dark jeans with a mesh long top thing, and I've got another top in there because I like the other top as well, so that'll be like 2 outfits. So yeah, that's one. And I've got my duster coat with this one, so that's done. I've got a black extra t-shirt, probably to wear in the evening, and yeah, I think that's it. Is that it? Oh, these are really handy as well to have to put your laundry in, so I'll shove that in the corner. Right, okay, so I've got my socks. I've literally just stuffed some of my underwear and stuff that everyone needs, you know, like, because it's... Okay, so then I've got some extra leggings thanks to my sister, because mine are in the wash, and thanks to my sister I didn't have to go to Primark to get a vest because I need a vest for the mesh stuff. I've got my glasses, I've got my vodka to wear in evenings, and this can go in here. Right. So I think the suitcase is pretty much done-ish. I just need to put my cachet in there, and a towel, which I need to go get from upstairs, or I can get one of my siblings to do that. Right, okay, so I've got a second bag, and in this second bag I've got so much crap already in it, some papers or whatever, I don't know what they are, I don't really clean it out. So I've got sellotape to keep my star clean that my sister needed, but you know, I found yesterday. Right, okay, so in this bag I'm basically going to put my everyday essentials that I'm going to need every morning. So my towel will go in here, my cachet will go in there because every day, like, they got everyday outfits, whereas this is my everyday that I need in the morning. So I'll put my vodka in here first of all, and then right, so basically I've got my everyday stuff like lotions and like face washes and contacts and anything that needs to put me together, so you know, that's my stuff. Right, okay, so I've got tomorrow's first outfit that I've already like basically got ready for tomorrow, and I'm basically just gonna shove it in here, maybe? Yeah? No, I'm not gonna shove it in there actually. I'm gonna fold it up and put it in my car boot because you know, that's the first thing I'm going to pull out for tomorrow morning. And got my glasses, which will go in that bag again. Got my chargers, which will go in this bag. I've got my water bottle, which will also go in this bag. And I need to put the stars in this bag as well. And my dupatta is messing up. Oh, because I'm holding my dupatta. Okay, so in this bag I've basically got my laptop. Okay, I don't need this laptop. So. Oh, I've got biscuits in here. Okay. So basically in this I have my pencil case, my diary, a book, headphones, more lotion because I love lotion. What else do I have? I've got my laptop, that's all. So I've got assignments to do, my major assignments that I've been busy in, and you know, haven't had time to make any videos because of it, because I have no life. And basically, because my PJs are too big and fluffy, I'm going to have to stuff this in my car boot, because I'm living out my car boot now for a whole week. So, happy days. Yeah, this is my jacket. This is going to be a backup jacket if I don't like any of this jacket. I've got backup. Actually, some of my outfits don't have jackets, so you know, this one's going to be handy. And then I've got my shoes. So I've got one pair that I'm taking, my second pair that I'm taking, and these are like neat ones. I get better compliments when I wear these. They're really nice. But wear these, and I think I might take my white Pumas, and I think that's it with shoes. So yeah, to be honest, I'm there for 3 weeks, but that means I just have to do half the packing next week because I've already got shoes and stuff packed. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I'm missing my toothbrush. Okay, let's do that back. So guys, I basically got all my container of my, what's it called, the stars in here, literally ready to go. I just need a towel, and making a list really helps. I've got a list of things that I probably will forget, and yeah, it's just I need to pick up my shoes, I need to pick up my towel, and shoe cleaner because I like my shoe cleaner, and I think that's pretty much it. That's it. I'm a toothbrush, I need to go run and quickly get it, and I'm ready to go basically. But yeah, that was my get ready. What the hell am I saying? This is the pack with me. I hope it was handy, I don't know. I think I could have packed better, but I'm not going to because, you know, I want my outfits, priorities, no weight limit, whatever, living out my boot, same thing. But yeah, I'll be back with a new video hopefully soon, and yeah, stay tuned. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below any tips with packing, and yeah, there's my Instagram, that X-Core, sorry, what am I saying? That X-Core is my Instagram, and subscribe if you haven't already. Why not? Do it now, please. Love you. Yeah, until next time, stay fearless and keep going. Bye.